Hi guys, so today pag-uusapan lang natin itong si Heroes of Mavia dito. Yung mga feedbacks or questions is that bibigyan natin ng perspective. Itong si Mavia guys is that listed na rin pala ito sa exchanges guys, no, sa mga top tier exchanges. Bibigyan ko dito ng perspective guys kung paano dito maka-earn without playing the game gamit itong application na ginagamit natin dito guys, no. So daily nag-generate dito ng Mavia. Bibigyan din natin ng comparison, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong sino yung top tier na play to earn ngayon in crypto space, Axie Infinity. So we'll just need to compare lang ito. And bago tayo dito guys mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So for now, punta muna tayo dito guys sa pinaka-desktop natin. Again, itong video natin today guys is just for ideas lang, for our friends, and just my own opinion lang ito. Does not qualify as an investment or financial advice guys, no. So special din sa mga nagtatanong ano yung pinaka-insights ko, opinion ko dito kay Mavia. So nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka coin comparison, coin compare. We have AXS and Mavia token dito. So upon observation guys, itong si Mavia is mas maliit yung pinaka total supply compare kay Axie, no, or AXS, no. So dito if we zoom out, so yung total supply guys ni Axie Infinity is nasa 270M, pero itong si Mavia is nasa 250M lang, no. Yung max supply as per coin market cap dito, yung max supply ni Mavia is that nasa 250M Mavia coins as per coin market cap dito. So ngayon naman yung SLP type ni Mavia, which is I think if I'm not mistaken yung Ruby, no. So punta muna tayo dito. I also searched dito, Mavia acts as a governance token that can be staked, no. So yun yung ginawa natin dito, and we earn daily dito. And mamaya walk through ko na lang dito guys para you get some ideas dito kung paano puntahan ito, no. So for now, punta muna tayo dito sa pinaka-comparison. Let's go here. Coin compare. Yung rank ni Mavia ngayon since kakalist lang is nasa 20,000 pa lang, no. Yung price as of the moment is 2.99 in USDT. Meron pala akong video nito, pre-listing, wherein I just calculated. Medyo weird and epic lang yung experience ko kasi around 28 USDT yung pinaka price during that time. So maybe I'll upload na lang that video kung ano yung naging reaction ko when the listing nitong kay Mavia guys, no? So ito yon, meron tayo ditong airdrop na nakuha and 12.5. So 48 seconds, mamaya babalikan natin yan. And dito guys, discuss lang natin dito yung details nitong listing tsaka kung magkano yung magiging value neto sa listing guys, no. So 33 seconds. Binigyan ko to ng perspective guys sa ating YouTube channel 3 days ago, kaya make sure to subscribe, like this video para you'll get updated dito sa mga updates natin sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. Yung pinaka-official announcements guys, nandoon naman sa kanilang Twitter. Make sure you check yung kanilang Twitter guys, no, kasi sobrang daming mga fake, mga phishing dito sa airdrop guys, no. So make sure you follow the appropriate account dito guys. Yun, right now nasa $2. Nag-open siya actually $40, $38. Sobrang galaw na ito. And balik na tayo dito guys sa my comparison. So yung market cap ngayon ni Axie Infinity is nasa 1.18 billion. Zoom in lang natin. Ayan, market cap. Volume niya 68.50M. And kay Mavia ngayon, so some comparison lang dito guys, no. Mas maliit yung pinaka total supply nitong si Mavia, and if may develop pa itong game na to, for me, own opinion ko lang to guys, again, at financial advice, if mag-innovate pa to in the future, is that this price could potentially around 3 USDT, 2.98 USDT could potentially, no, hit itong price din ni AXS na around 6.9, and mas pataas pa nga to sa AXS before, pero yeah, we'll see. As of the moment, ito yung pinaka-price ni Mavia right now as of recording this video. So punta naman tayo guys dun sa pinaka-discussions wherein kahit hindi ako naglalaro ng game is that meron akong na-earn ng Mavia. So punta lang tayo dito guys sa platform na ginagamit ko. So dito guys, maybe lagay ko na lang yung pinaka-official link ng app na ginagamit ko sa description ng video na to guys, no. Meron na ding trading fee discount, and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online, no. So I leave it on the description na lang para mapuntahan nyo if you are interested dito, no. So yun, dito guys, I earn daily dito as of the moment, yung APR niya is nasa 300%. Kaso yung minimum lang dito is that nasa 200, no? So, I have already provided dito ng something like a liquidity. And then, pagkatapos nyan ay stake, I earn daily dito, guys, no? So, close muna natin to. If you just created an account dito, punta lang kayo dito sa my trade. Ayan. And then, pagkatapos nyan, hanapin nyo dito yung Mavia, no? Dito. Search nyo lang dito yung Mavia. So, say for example, dito sa may icon ng BTC, tutok nyo lang yung mouse cursor nyo. And then, pagkatapos nyan, search nyo lang Mavia. And then, dito, around 3 USDT pala yung price. So, eto. Ayan. So, dito guys, I have some trades dito. As you can see, meron ako ditong mga trades na history, no? Trade history. And, after that, I just stake dito. Parang puntahan to guys sa cellphone. Pwede naman, no? So, sa phone, just, if you downloaded the app sa cellphone, you need to verify just to let the system na you're not a robot, no? So, once you get verified dito sa cellphone, punta lang kayo sa trade tab, and then pagkatapos nyan, you can just search sa my spot, and then pagkatapos nyan, search nyo lang dito sa may Ethereum USDT, palitan nyo lang ng Mavia, and then you can see Mavia ticker dyan, and simple as that guys, no? And dito naman sa cellphone, para mapuntahan yung pinaka-option na you earn if you provide some liquidity ng Mavia, is that punta lang kayo dito sa home. Ayan. And then pagkatapos nyan, hanapin nyo yung launch pool sa taas. And yan guys, makikita nyo na dito yung Mavia, no? So, may option dyan ni Mavia. And currently guys, dito sa may Mavia, ako nakapag-provide ng liquidity, no? And I earn daily dito with Mavia, no? So, simple as that. And para naman guys, puntahan mo yung pinaka na stake mo na, is that punta ka lang sa may assets tab, and then pagkatapos nyan sa may baba, meron ditong earn tab, meron ditong products, tapos select mo lang dito yung earn, and then lalabas na itong option ng launch pool. So, select mo lang yung launch pool. And dito mo na guys makikita yung pinaka-stake mo guys, no? If gusto mo kunin, nagka-profits ka na, gusto mo ibenta, unstake mo lang, and you can just transfer that profits to your e-wallets or banks guys, no? So, simple as that dito kay Mavia gamit yung cellphone, no? So, punta na tayo dito guys sa desktop. So, say for example, you have this Mavia and gusto mo lang siya i-provide ng liquidity, tapos you'll get earn. So, punta ka lang dito sa finance, and then hanapin mo yung launch pool, and then meron ka dito makikita na stake now. Ito, lalabas itong pinaka-window na to. And as per checking dito, as of the moment, minimum is 200 Mavia, no? So, simple as that. Daily, you can earn dito ng Mavia without playing the game. Pretty much it guys, yung pinaka-distribution ata nung airdrop nila. Yeah, I'll keep it posted na lang din dito guys sa ating YouTube channel, maybe live. Make sure to subscribe, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, hope this video helps, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong regarding my opinion dito. And again, this video is just for ideas and doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice guys, no? So, yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.